In this video, I will show you how you can set up Touch ID on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Add a Fingerprint. Now in newer iPad Air generations, starting from the iPad Air 4 and later, the fingerprint sensor has been moved from the Home button to the Power button. Now to enroll your fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint sensor on the power button, then release your finger once this animation moves forward. As you can see, just like that, just tap on the fingerprint sensor. And as this animation moves forward, just release your finger, as I'm doing right now. Just tap on continue, just press the fingerprint sensor again. Now just use different areas of your finger. And after you register your fingerprint, then just tap on continue. If you have not created a lock screen passcode for your iPad, it will ask you to enter a lock screen passcode. So I'll create a lock screen passcode right now. Now just select use anyway. Then enter your lock screen passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now as you can see, if I go to the lock screen and if I try to open my iPad, it will ask us to enter our fingerprint. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Touch ID on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.